Hello, in this video I will be treating the meaning and the content of Piano and Drums by Gabriel Okara. The poem centers on the historical cultural clash between the Africa and the West in the wake of colonialism. Since the coming of the white man, Africa has faced cultural challenges brought about by the people's exposure to Western values. The coming in of these white men brought about their culture, their way of life, their system of government, and their language into Nigeria. And it has served as a cultural clash whereby the people of Nigeria cannot actually embrace their culture and lifestyle wholly because it's having an interference of the culture and lifestyle of the West. The first two stanzas of the poem talk about the beauty, the perfection, the serenity, and the self-sufficiency, even the peace enjoyed by these Nigerians in the pre-colonial era, that is the era before the coming of these Western citizens in colonization. They enjoy the harmony of their environment, the peace the people enjoy as when interacting with themselves. It is characterized by a drum beat. The drum symbolizes the crude Nigeria and local nature, whereby they carry out their traditions and communication through the beats of the drum. This is characterized in Africa. The next stanza talks about the poet's consciousness, the poet's birth, his transition from an offspring as in his early days, his simple lifestyles, and the harmonious society of himself and the society at large, but was short-lived. This peace that he experienced from his childbirth to how he has grown to be a man was short-lived by the complex ways of the incoming of these West citizens in colonization. They come with their complex ways, their complex system, their unknown language, the English, which is complex and not understandable by these Nigerians. And it is characterized by the image of piano, which is a modern tool used by these Western citizens as opposed to the drum used by the African setting. The last stanza, he highlights a state of confusion and disarray by the people by Africans. He states this disarray faced by the people whereby they cannot really wholly face their lifestyles by their forefathers and not wholly face their the lifestyle of these Western citizens. So it is a state of confusion, a state of disarray, a state whereby they are confused. They really cannot go with this the ways of the pianos and the ways of the drums. The drums that actually emphasize the ways of their forefathers, and also the piano, which talks about the complex system of government and ways of the Western people. So this is actually it talks about the civilization of the Western country and the crude ways of Africa at large. So this is basically the meaning and content of the said poem Piano and Drums by Gabriel Okara. In the next video, we'll be treating the structure used by Gabriel Okara.